person fall out? Did the person fall out? Oh my God, someone just fell out of the slide. Oh my God. No more slide. Stop the slide. Oh my God. We went on this slide. Someone just fell out of it.
Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas. A frightening incident occurred aboard Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas, the world's largest cruise ship, when an acrylic panel on a water slide fractured while a passenger was using it. The incident, which happened on a Thursday during an Eastern Caribbean cruise, left an adult guest with injuries. Video footage shared by passenger Jim Muldoon shows a large section of the yellow slide missing, with water pouring from the hole. Screams of "Stop the slide" can be heard from concerned onlookers as the event transpired. Royal Caribbean Group confirmed the incident, stating, "Our team provided medical care to an adult guest when acrylic glass broke off a water slide as the guest passed through the slide." The cruise line noted that the injured passenger is stable, but did not provide further details.